Today we're going to be making vanilla bread. So first you get your dough to preheat the oven to 325, and then you spray. Get a pan like this, and then get your cooking spray, and then you spray the pan. But go to fork for later. Spray the pan. 5 years or older. If you're littler than 5 years, you have to have your adult help you. Or if you're older than that, 5, you can do it all by yourself. The spray. And here. Enough. You put enough. Now I have my frozen stickers. Yeah. And now get your other bowl right here. I'll just have a popsicle on it. Let's get our banana, peel it. I have it. Let's just peel it because it's mushy. And there's some of this stuff. Let's peel it. Let's put this in, and then you peel it. And put it in there. Now my next banana, I hope it comes out easier. Top's pretty. You just have to peel it down. So lovely. Then we'll go back and find some more strips. Here it is. Let's just break it. Put it in here. Oops. And break it. Now let's get this little banana thing out. And now, if you have to get a paper towel, I have your paper towel. You get a paper towel. Just in case you need it. And now you mash it with the fork. So we go just mash it. You can go like this. You can go boop boop. Here they are. They're not really mashed yet. After you finish mashing the bananas, you get a big bowl and get your fork and just help the bananas get out. There you go. And then put your bowl in the sink. Have your mom take it. And your fork can go on your paper towel that I told you to get. And then you get one teaspoon.
3/4 cup.
3/4 cup. And get your sugar. Open it. And 1 cup. You just gotta get a little to make sure it's not right. So you just keep on trying to make sure it gets enough. That's enough. See? And then you pour it all around the banana bread like I am. And then you put the lid back with the sugar. You don't have to have a lid. Then you get your oil. There might not be enough, Mom.
It's okay, it'll be in.
But there might not be enough, but you can just do how much you have, but not the whole jug. It's a brand new jug. And that's enough oil, right? That's enough oil. And then just pour it on your banana bread. And have this put on your paper towel. And now you crack your eggs. 5 years older to crack them. And 5 years. Here's one. Put this on the paper towel. And the next egg. And here you go, turkey. And now you mix it up with the wooden spoon. Yeah. Sometimes you just have to mash the egg first. Because I love mashing up eggs. And then you can see one if you just take your spoon. You want to see it? Okay, here it is. It's yolky, huh? Yeah. And then you just have to stir it up and will certainly start melting. Or you could bash it. Yum, yum, yum. That's enough to ring. For now, you put your spoon. You put the spoon down. And this is 1 tablespoon. Teaspoon. And get your vanilla. You have to get 2 of them so you can fill up. So you have to fill it up twice. I'm going to use 2 different sides. Like this.
Careful.
Uh-oh.
Just dump it in.
One. And the other side. Maybe 2. Now you get your flour cup, which is what?
1 cup.
1 cup. But don't get your hand as messy as mine. But that's enough. 2 cups of flour. 1 cup. And 2 cups. And now just stir it up. Dun, 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 dun. Stir, stir, mixing. You get this on. Doo, 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 doo. I can still see that egg banana bread, but not for long. So this flour has to be mixed in before we can move on to the next step. And I think it's mixing in really good. Now it's time to do the next step. So you got one?
Just leave it in there. You're going to need it.
We'll leave the spoon in here. And now you get your, you got your baking soda. Mommy already poured it, and it's one teaspoon. Dump it. And now you stir it up a little again. That's what I'm going to do. And now we do salt. What is it?
Half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon for salt. So you've got to be careful. You have one like ours. This one, and then you have to close it back up for you again. You have one like ours. And then you get the baking powder. Open it up and get your same cup tablespoon. And you just gotta make sure you get one side if you have one like ours. Here we go. Dump. Banana bread. Now you stir this little powder up again. You can put as many chocolate chips as you want. So I am just gonna dump a few. You see all these? You have to get some behind the spoon. Is what I'm doing.
It's enough.
And a little bit more. There, that's enough. And now you start stirring them up with all these chocolate chips in here. It's a lot harder. Okay, now you dump your bowl in here. Up. And now, Mommy, can you hold this, please? Mommy's going to hold it so I can scrape it out with my frozen spatula. See, it's Elsa, but she's all covered with my banana bread stuff. Here we go. Let's plumb it out. Let's see. You have to get it around up top here. And there's a lot more in here, but not too much. Oops. And yeah, my mom's not gonna get it though, so I'm gonna be able to get it because I can get it. It's silly if it gets on the edges. But you just have to do this. And you're all done. And then you have to help.
Let me see.
You have to ask your adult to help you, but it's not really going to turn out because you didn't have enough bananas. And there's still a little egg. My mom's going to put the rest in there. Oh, so this is like the end. And then if you can't reach the oven, let your adult help you. If you're 5 years, if it's up top like ours, you can't do it, okay? So Mommy's gonna smoothen it out. You wanna see her smooth it out? She's over here, huh? She's smoothing it out. And here you go. Our marvelous banana bread, but it's not cooked. Put it in the oven for 15 minutes.
50.
50 minutes, I mean. And you're done. After you cook it for 50 minutes, after it's done cooking for 50 minutes, you just let it cool off, and here's how it turned out. Like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.